Hey there, RC enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Grayson Hobby YouTube channel. Today we have exciting news from RadioMaster that's going to blow your mind. Introducing the RadioMaster Crush. Crush. We talked about this.
Not literally crush, it's just the color.
No! Why did you do that, Basil? Why? It was just the RadioMaster Crush.
This is the new edition from RadioMaster. It's the Boxer, new edition of the Boxer. It is called the Crush. In this video, we're going to go over all the details, the who's, the what's, the whys, the colors, and all that good stuff. All right, pretend I'm new to the hobby. What is the Boxer, Will?
So the Boxer is a 16-channel radio using a monochrome screen. It has full function capability. It has these really nice two-position and momentary switches on the top. They're a nice low profile. This is an excellent radio for anyone flying FPV. It will work with planes. It'll work with helis as well. But I really think the mindset of this was definitely catered to the FPV pilot.
Why is that?
Mainly the switches, and you're not... I think everything's well placed to where you're not fumbling for a switch. If you have a TX16, there's a lot of overkill in switches for those that are... One, you're not able to see what you're doing. You have goggles on, so you're feeling around. You essentially are blind on that. And I think that the texture and the buttons and all that, the arming, disarming... is in a perfect position for that without accidentally switching something else.
Guys, all the links and the information will be in the description below. Be sure to comment if you want to see anything different and breaking more stuff. So where do you get the RadioMaster Boxer? Get it right here at GraysonHobby.com, or come to our showroom, which you see here. Everything's in stock and everything ships from Atlanta, Georgia. If you like this video, every purchase helps either a RadioMaster Boxer or a pack of props, or a drone, or an airplane, or anything else you see. Helps keeps the lights on and the channel on.
Alright guys, so what we have here is another version of the RadioMaster Boxer in the lineup. So this is the new Boxer Crush. The Crush is available in 7 different colors. You have iron gray, frost white, mint mist, hot pink, cherry red as seen on our video, iceberg blue, and lemon twist yellow. The Boxer Crush is only available in ELRS. So you're going to have your base model Boxer that is going to be available in CC2500, and then there's a 4-in-1 or an ELRS model in that. And then you got the Boxer Crush has the addition of a color front and back plate and in various colors, and you have the new AG01 gimbals added in there like you do on the Max. The Max has the AG01 gimbals, carbon faceplate, and the CNC parts and leather grip cheeks, and then the folding stand. So basically what they've done is given you the regular Boxer Max with AG01 gimbals and a color faceplate. So there's not a lot changed internally. Well, there's nothing changed internally other than the gimbals themselves and the color plates. So this gives you a nice refresh of the product. So one, you know you're getting a newer generation radio versus like a first gen. But then again, the Boxer's not that old anyway. But there has been different models of it.
Stand out. Yeah,
so it stands out a little more. You got a newer product. But the biggest thing is you are getting the nicer gimbals at a price point, wait for it, $189.99. That is only a few bucks more than the base model, and I think it puts it at a better price point than the Max. The only stipulation is the fact that it is only ELRS. So if you're looking for a 4-in-1, guess what? You'll have to do it separately. Does not have a 4-in-1 option available at this price point.
All right, let's turn that sucker on. So what do you got to do there? Turn it on.
So we're going to put a sold separately battery, but we are going to put a battery in this guy.
Not included, which means it doesn't come with the radio.
Yeah, it does come with an 18650 holder, so you can put 18650 batteries in there, which are pretty common to find now, or we sell them here at Grayson Hobby.
But it doesn't come with a battery.
Does not come with a battery, but I'm putting a battery in it to show you guys how it works.
Just to be clear.
Again, does it come with a battery? No. All right, let's turn this sucker on. So those of you familiar with the Boxer, for those of you not familiar with the Boxer, it's a 16-channel radio. It has audio, so you can program your switches to say whatever they want, you know, stuff like that. It has the ability to do internal module. This happens to be ELRS, or you can do an external 4-in-1 with the module bay. So that's nice. It opens up a whole world of Crossfire, ELRS, 900 megahertz, other systems, etc. As long as they use.
They make 4-in-1s for that one?
Yes.
All right. Hold on, before you go there, could I put a higher power ELRS wattage?
You could put the full-size module in there as well if you want to, but this does have a 1 watt capable internal, which is more than enough for 99.9% of the people in this hobby.
Okay.
All right, so what is in the box of the RadioMaster Boxer Crush? That was a box in the Boxer. So inside the box, you have the, as you've seen before with other Boxers, the really, really nice zipper case here. Ooh, open the wrong way. You got the Velcro strap to secure it, as well as the gimbal protectors. This was like, I remember when the TX16 and all that came out, this was like the fad. If you had a 3D printer, you were pumping these things out, you were the cool kid on the block because you 3D printed one of these. Now it's injection molded, and it comes with it. So that's really cool. You got the radio itself. You have the screen protector. So it does ship with a film on it. That's just like a little shipping film. This is more like your like plasticky screen protectors like you put on your cell phone and stuff like that. It's not the glass ones, which is plastic.
Hold on. Okay, there we go. And there's that film.
Yeah.
Where is it? Right there. Okay.
And then in the top part, we have... Let's dump it out. Let's see what's in here. There's something else I saw in there. That's it. Okay. So in the top part, you have your USB-C to USB cable. So that's what you use to charge the radio on the bottom.
So you
or
keep the
data communication on the top.
battery stay in it while I charge?
Yes, you can charge the battery in the radio.
All right.
You have the RadioMaster keychain, although that's not a Boxer, guys. What's going on here? That looks like a... whoa, wait a minute. That is a Boxer. They changed it. Okay, the first one I got was not a Boxer in the thing. That's actually pretty cool. I like that. Good job, guys. Good job. The first one I got, it was a pre-production, but it was that was definitely a TX16. You have a little rubber cap, so if you are using an external module and don't want the internal, you can cap that antenna off. If you guys are running the internal, always leave your antenna on so you don't damage it. You have different tension springs. You have the set screws. If you adjust the gimbals to a certain height, you can lock them down with the set screw with the provided Allen wrench.
All right, so go back to this cable. What other than charging, you said data?
So you can use it for data communication for your computer. So if you want to upload your EdgeTX files or put new models on it and set it up on your computer, you can connect it to the top port to get USB. Also, if you want to use a trainer jack for simulators and all that, I'm sorry, not trainer jack, simulators, use the top USB port. With ELRS though, there's really no point in doing that. You can do Bluetooth for simulators. So you can actually connect it to your computers and set it up as a Bluetooth connection and run wirelessly to your computer as a USB joystick.
But you need the cable to update firmware and stuff like that, right?
Yeah, the cable would still be used for updating firmware and all that, yes.
And you got to charge with the cable.
And charge on the bottom. Well, you don't have to use this one, but it's a good idea.
Well, I meant like he's not wireless charging.
Yet. No, I'm just kidding.
We have no idea. Hey, Will, where do I get one of those Boxers at?
So Boxers, whether you want basic, 4-in-1, ELRS, CC2500, Crush, or Max, available at GraysonHobby.com.
Or where else?
Loganville, Georgia.